How to use Grok AI for homework or study assistance? Need quick help with assignments or concepts? Grok AI can simplify your studying, and let's see how to do it. First, open Grok AI and ask direct questions like explain photosynthesis in simple terms or summarize chapter 3 of Macbeth. Grok gives clear, concise explanations tailored to your level of understanding. You can also request examples or quizzes by saying, "Give me a short quiz on this topic" for extra practice. Always double check Grok's responses before submitting academic work. Use it as guidance, not final answers. What subject do you use Grok for most? Share about it in the comments below. And that's how you can use Grok AI for homework or study assistance. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.